It's not a natural forest. It's planted 60, 70 years ago. They planted spruce, but this birch found that the water is here, and the birch likes water, so you see there's a lot of birch here. Birch is good for firewood. They will be greatly appreciated for that. Spruce, long and straight, grows slow, strong to use for building material. An axe or two and a saw, everyone can get a little chop. And we make sure it falls in that direction, so it doesn't get stuck in some other trees or destroy some gate or destroys our dry toilet or our lark that is happily replanted here. As soon as we need more firewood, we're probably going to take some birch up here. I suggested our tree building project, no, our tree barking project will be this tree. The tree will be needed, it's exactly the right size to build a little roof over a compost station down there. A sharp tool will make your work much faster. If you're going to chop down a tree, spend 50 minutes preparing yourself and 10 minutes chopping. Meaning, you take your axe and you sharpen your axe. And in this case, make sure that you dress up with protective gear. You might get something in your eyes and you can't work for days. This is a bow saw. Obviously it's a bow saw. It's not used for planks because it's not straight. This has more guidance. The area of guidance is wider here. It's sort of stiffer. But you put this through a log, it's going to get stuck.
Falling.
Tree is falling!
Be careful!
Then we bark it, cut off the parts we don't need, the branches. It's my uncle. He marked everything yellow. This one is alive. It can be felled straight there.
What is it?
Yeah, ice cube.
I think there has to be someone constantly. The copper age came before the Iron Age because it was much easier. It's a softer metal. Sweden is very famous for iron. It's built our richness, our forest, our rivers, and our metal has been the base of our industry. And it has made a lot of people rich, and it has trickled down through the whole society. We're still famous for our iron. We can make the best wheel bearings with the best quality iron in the world. Also, on this topic, I remember the Ulfberth. It's the name of a high quality sword that only a few people could do. They were related to Vikings. They were high level blacksmith, and they made swords that did not break. And for you who don't know much about swords and fighting, you think a sword is metal and you just stick into someone. No, they usually break a lot. Two swords met, bang, they broke. Not the Ulfberth sword. What can we do? Well, the first thing I did was to correct this thing, and then I could hang a lantern here. So you can hold a stick with a lantern, and this one was closed. This was not a 90-degree angle before, now it is, and now I want to make it sharper because I intend to ram it into a tree.